Hi guys, remember me? No, I don't blame you. It's been so many months that I haven't uploaded. I'm extremely sorry. I don't know why I decided to vanish and not make videos, but here I am back. I hope it's a now this time I remain consistent with it. So people who are new, welcome to my channel. People who have been here before, thank you so much for your support. It really means the world to me. So as you've probably read from the title above, today's video is about the products that I have been using in the past couple of months. Basically, जब से मैं गायब हूँ तब से. So I like to keep experimenting with the products that I use, and I have some nice recommendations for you. So yes, without making this intro any longer, let me dive right into it. Before I start with the first product, a quick disclaimer. These products are very personal choices. It does not mean कि आप पे भी वो work करेगा, because no two skin types are the same, no two skin textures are the same. But these products have worked for me, and if you're anything close to it, or if you're into experimentation, this is just a great place to go ahead with it. Second, the prices for all the products will be mentioned on the screen. These are the MRPs. I have not bought any of them at the MRP. सब Nykaa में कुछ ना कुछ off में मिलता है. इसीलिए I will be putting down the MRPs on the screen. And yes, you can try your luck at all the discounts that Nykaa keep offering. So yes, now let me dive into the product. The first product recommendation is of a face wash. The one that I have is the Requel Oil Control Face Wash. So this one is for oily and acne prone skin. And on the bottle they claim it's non-comedogenic, and it is very important if you are from the oily or acne prone skin type to see products which are non-comedogenic, because काफी important है when it comes to your skin choice and skin type. This is a 200 ml bottle. The price is on the screen, and this brand has products which are dermatologically tested, which is fantastic because it is safer to use, and it is it's good for your skin basically. This brand Requel has for products for super dry skin, for flaky skin, for oily skin, so they have thought of every skin type. So you should definitely check the brand out and use this if you want to. The second product I have is a toner. So toners के लिए generally I tend to gravitate towards rose water या cucumber या green tea based toners, but when I saw this I really wanted to give this a try. So this is the Dermafique Cell by Cell toner. It's a beautiful formula. It's not sticky, it's not shiny, nothing like that. It is good for all skin types. It's not skin type specific. It claims to restore skin's pH balance, cleanses pores and smooth and gives the skin a nice smooth and radiant look. I've been using it for 3 weeks now, and literally itna khatam hua hai sirf. Like I regularly use it twice a day like a good girl, but literally I finished only this much. So this bottle is going to last me for a while. It's a 150 ml bottle. It's dermatologically tested. So if you're looking for a new toner, you should definitely think of this and give this a shot. I want to use the Dermafique face wash also, but once I'm done with the Requel face wash, I will skip to that. But good toner if you're looking for a new one. The third product is a face serum. So face serums is something that I very recently started using, and I wanted to include a vitamin C serum into my skincare routine, and मैं ढूंढ रही थी कि कुछ अच्छा मिले which is pocket friendly also, मतलब ऐसा it should not cost a bomb to me, and I came across this Garnier vitamin C serum. This is what the serum is. I just wanted to show you this because I have literally finished one bottle and I'm on to my second bottle now. It's such a fantastic serum. It really absorbs into the skin so seamlessly, so smoothly, and I have started seeing the vitamin C ka effect onto the skin, because it's important. Everybody should include a vitamin C product into their skincare routine. Even though this brand and this product specifically, they have marketed in a weird way because they say that it's for lightening the skin. That's bullshit. But because of their stupid marketing, they should not be at a loss at what a fantastic product this is. It's a nice thick consistency, and it comes with a dripper, which is convenient to use. I just take a little pea shaped onto my hand and press it into the skin after I'm done with my toning. So it's a fantastic serum if you're looking for a new one. So for the moisturizer, I have been using this Simple Ultra Light Moisturizing Gel Liquid Moisturizer. And it is so good for oily skin, because oily skin care you should always use either gel based or liquid based moisturizers, and creams are for the combination dry skin category, because otherwise our skin tends to get very, very greasy and very oily. but this has been a game changer. It's such a chotu bottle. This is a 50 ml bottle, but it's doing such a fantastic job because itna amazingly it gets absorbed into the skin. It says it gives a 24-hour hydration and instant matte finish, which is correct because in winters अभी जब सर्दियाँ थी, I was applying this once a day, twice a day, and ऐसा बिल्कुल क्रीम की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. And it's a beautiful formula. This is it's so light, it's so liquid, it's बहुत ही beautiful है ये. And this is right now shiny, but like it'll absorb into the skin and become beautiful. It's a definite must buy for all my oily skin people out there. Alright, so for the next product, I have another cream, but this is for everybody who likes using cream. So I know there are people who don't like using gels or liquids, which is okay, which if you are into creams, good for you. But there's this cream, the Nivea Soft. This is a very known cream, वैसे तो, but like a lot of people still don't know about it, and I think it's very important because this is the Nivea cream, but it is so light once you apply it, and it really does not feel heavy, even though it is intense moisturization. But a brilliant cream if you are somebody who cannot do without a cream on your face. This is the berry edition. They have 2-3 limited editions. So there is one berry, one I think citric, one aloe, something like that, and it smells heavenly, and it is actually very good. My mother uses this regularly and she is telling me that she's loving it. So yes, if you're looking for a cream, go for this. The last but definitely not the least product is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Even though it's a lip sleeping mask, but I tend to use this regularly as a lip balm day in day out. It's on my dressing table. Whenever I'm crossing, I tend to go and apply a little one. And इसके बाद कोई और lip balm पसंद आना gets a little difficult. And people before me who bought this have warned me about this कि एक बार ये लगाना शुरू करोगे तो general lip balms तो पसंद ही नहीं आएंगे. It is so nice, and I purchased this in February or July or August. I don't know. I did a Nykaa video. Check it out if you want to. And तब खरीदा था. And literally अभी भी इतना ही हुआ है. और मैं कितना यूज करती हूँ इसको तो ये खत्म नहीं होगा. मुझे नहीं लगता है कभी भी खत्म होगा. But if you're looking for a nice intense lip balm and something which is very moisturizing for your lips, definitely buy this. Alright, so that's it from my side for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was useful. I hope इसमें से कोई भी product आपको ऐसा लगा हो, convinced हो गए हो आप खरीदो. So definitely let me know if you're planning to buy any of this, and if you want to know about any other product that I've mentioned today, hit me up, message me, put it in the comments, anything, I will definitely reply. Other than that, if there are any other video recommendations, ideas, anything that you want me to do, kindly let me know. I will try my best to be regular this time. Let's see where it goes. But for now, take care of yourselves. Loads of love. Stay safe. Bye.